स्टूडेंट्स, कैसे हैं आप सब? आई होप यू आर वेरी वेल. नाउ आज लेट्स स्टार्ट वर्क इन मैथ्स. लेट नंबर 4. नाउ फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल काउंट द स्माइलीज. 1 2 3 4. How many smileys are there? 4. Now count again. 1 2 3 4. Very good. Which number is this? 4. Which number is this? 4. Very good. Now let's start work in. First of all, you draw a straight line. Good. Now you draw a straight line and draw a sleeping line. 4. Let's do practice again. Draw a straight line. 1 and draw a straight line and join with sleeping line. Good, very good. Again do practice. Let number 4. Draw a straight line. Again draw a straight line and draw a join with sleeping line. 4. What do you write here? 4. Now do your work in classwork and also in SW. Okay, good. Bye. Goodbye.